we're doing is putting the vegetable oil on the hot plate, heating it up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, I would say, give or take. So in a separate flask, what we're going to do is, so to make biodiesel, all you need to do is mix together vegetable oil, methanol, and sodium hydroxide. So now we're going to add 20 milliliters of methanol. And we're going to stir that. And then we need 350 milligrams of finely ground sodium hydroxide. So one thing to mention here is sodium hydroxide is a catalyst for the reaction. So this is this is a tiny amount of sodium hydroxide that you need to convert all this vegetable oil into biodiesel. So we're going to kind of crush it up in here so that it reacts a little bit more efficiently. So now we have like a nice powder that we're going to add to our methanol. This is ready to go. So now all we do is we add our methanol solution that contains sodium hydroxide to our vegetable oil. Don't want that to come along. And we can vigorously stir this guy. And now we wait about 15 to 30 minutes and we'll have biodiesel. So 30 minutes have elapsed and all of our vegetable oil has reacted to make biodiesel and glycerin. So we're going to turn off the stirring, turn off the heat, remove our thermometer. And what we're going to do is take our mixture of glycerol, or glycerin and biodiesel, and pour it into a separatory funnel, which is cone-shaped, which is actually the same shape as our biodiesel reactor. Most biodiesel reactors, it makes it easier to separate out those components. And what you'll see gradually happening is that the glycerol settles to the bottom and the biodiesel accumulates on the top. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, but you can kind of see a line right here, and you can see through the top a lot easier, and the middle part is kind of hazy because those layers are still kind of settling out. So now what we have here is two layers that you can clearly see. The bottom layer is a glycerin, which is the byproduct from the reaction. The top layer, which you can also tell is there's a lot more of than the bottom layer, is your biodiesel layer. So what we're going to do is drain off the glycerin layer into a small flask here. notice that we started with about the same volume of oil that we ended up with as biodiesel. So
Very small byproduct.
there it is, and this is all the waste. So.